Hey guys, how are you doing? I have another DIY coming up, and it is going to be exactly how we did our Christmas gingerbread men. We're going to be doing them with cinnamon and salt dough. On this video, we're going to be making them out of the cinnamon and applesauce. Okay? So you can get as big as you want because you can freehand a heart, you can use your heart cookie cutters, whatever you want. Let them dry. You can decorate them if you want with spackle. And I'll make a couple doing that probably. And some just plain, just the plain cinnamon color. But it's going to add some real cute ambiance to your kitchen. Hey everyone, we're back and I'm doing another fun faux treat for Valentine's Day, and what I'm doing is the applesauce and cinnamon like we did for Christmas, making the gingerbread. This time we're going to be making hearts. Again, in my kitchen and dining room, it's going to be pink and browns and beiges, so this is going to work perfect. So 3/4 cup applesauce. And they say a whole container, and sometimes that's not even enough to make it doughy enough and stiff enough. So I just kind of play it by ear. Thing is, it doesn't make that much dough if you want to make some big hearts. I'll start off by making a couple of smaller ones, and if I don't have enough, I'll just use another medium for big hearts and pink and brown. I don't know why, but I just, for this year, I just kept thinking the pink and the browns and the creams and kind of the beiges, dark browns would be pretty. See, it's getting more, but that's not nearly enough to roll out and be stiff enough. This is what I mean. And I'm also going to use glue this time. The reason I'm going to use the white glue, because if I do make the bigger, well, it doesn't matter. I mean, if I don't, it's still fine. But if I make the bigger one, I want it to be able to hold better. I'm going to add a little bit of pumpkin spice to it too. And then this will take a day in my dehydrator, 24 hours. I think I'm just going to use a tablespoon. Because I want to have enough if I make another batch. I love that color. I just love this color. Yep, still too moist. I gotta add some more. Thank goodness the Dollar Tree has this, you know what? Like I've said before, I would never use, like, shillings or really expensive cinnamon for this. It would be the cheap stuff. Okay, I'm going to get this into a ball, get it ready to be rolled out, and I'll be back. Okay, so it's out and it's ready to roll, okay? But since I used glue, I'm going to put a piece of wax paper on the bottom and the top and then roll it out because I don't want that glue, any kind of a residue for that to get on here. Just easier to do it that way. Now I'm going to roll it out pretty thin. Not real thin, but to get the most I can, because I don't think I have enough to make another batch. And I don't want to have to go to the store. I got too many things that's going on. Too much going on. It's pretty. Okay. I do want to make a few little ones because I might use these on a couple of my cakes or something. This is the size I want to do, and I don't think I'm going to get much out of this. I might get 3 if I'm lucky. Get another piece of wax paper. Yeah, I'll be able to get 3 because I can re-roll out that. Okay, let's get the next one. This is such a pretty color. Yeah, I'll be able to get another one, plus I think some of these little ones as well. Some more of those. So it went a little further than I thought it would. Yeah, that helps when you put a little bit more cinnamon, when it starts to get moisten up. I guess it's, I don't know what it is, if it's the applesauce that makes it more moist, or I don't know. Even though, what I mean is once you have it all, you know what I'm going to do? Instead of trying to take this off, all right, now to roll out the rest. Okay, I'm going to cut the rest out and I'll come back when I have them in the dehydrator. Hey guys, I wanted to show you. That one batch did make quite a few, okay? It made 1, 2, 3. It made 1, 2, 3 big ones. 3 littler ones, and then tinier ones. But, I mean, it made a decent amount. So I just wanted to show you. Now I'm going to get them in the dehydrator. Okay, and here are the cinnamon hearts, along with some of the cupcakes that I made. And I don't want to show you everything before we do the Valentine home tour. Okay guys, as always, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.